Want to get my camera going here.
Go fast.
All right.
Go fast again.
All right, I'll do a low pass. Come on closer here. I think I'll come in for a landing. Wait a minute. You gotta come over here. You gotta come over here to the runway. You gotta come over to the runway. Come on, float down, float down. Easy does it, easy does it. All right.
Down?
Yeah. You coming in?
The next one around probably.
All right. Whoa. I'm off. For all intent and purposes, I'm off the runway. All right. This is the best landing little airplane I got.
Good.
I have talked to it, but it comes in really nice. I started way over there and then crab it right up to the runway, and boy, when it sets down, it stays right on the runway most times. It's a really neat little airplane.
Definitely not. We had a good time out here.
Oh.
I know one thing I got to, next time we get the paint out, the cables that we brought from down there, I want to
Is that one of those?
Yeah, I think no.
They're pulled out there.
Okay, well, yeah, I want to touch those up.